Hey, hon,
Yes.
don't you think our ceiling's a little boring?
It is kind of boring. What do you think?
I have an idea that might spruce it up a little bit.
Ooh, okay. Sounds good.
Okay, we begin this project by cutting off the rounded edges of these boards.
Some of the boards were warped, but it's not a problem for this project.
We're going to connect the boards using pocket holes, which will never be seen.
We wanted to do something different, so we used the wood stain called H-Barrel to match our accent wall. We applied the wood stain and let it set for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we wiped it off.
As we mentioned before, we wanted this wood to match the wood on the accent wall, so we only added 1 coat of polyurethane.
We first pre-drilled, and then we added pocket hole screws.
Now we take measurements to determine exactly where we're going to mount this.
Somebody struggled with the measurements. I wonder who that could be.
Now I got to use my favorite new toy, the Wallabot, to try and find the studs in the ceiling.
Now here is my favorite tool, the Makita electric caulking gun.
I added a few nails to help hold the boards in place until the adhesive dried.
Wow, that came out really nice.
So we hope you enjoyed this simple video. Until we meet again, bye-bye.